In a world where information overload is the norm, one man stands out for his ability to absorb knowledge across physics, programming, spaceflight, and artificial intelligence. That man is Elon Musk. But how does he do it? How does he memorize and actually apply what he learns faster and deeper than almost anyone? It's not magic, it's mindset, method, and massive repetition. He starts by asking, what is a rocket actually doing? What are the forces? What are the constraints? And from there, he builds a network of understanding. Learning for a goal forces your brain to filter what's essential and discard what's not. Every book he reads, every concept he studies, he immediately asks, how can I use this? That's the first step. Don't memorize facts, reconstruct the logic. Elon Musk doesn't read like most people. He once said, it's important to view knowledge as a semantic tree. Make sure you understand the trunk and big branches before you get to the leaves. Repetition doesn't mean boredom, it means usage. Turn what you read into projects, tweets, essays, experiments. He asks precise questions. He finds multiple sources. He obsesses. That's the difference. Casual learners skim. Musk interrogates reality. He acts like a detective, not a sponge. When you discuss an idea with someone smarter than you, you're forced to refine your thinking. That makes what you know stick. That active engagement is why his retention is off the charts. The more angles you approach an idea from, the more permanent it becomes. So when you study, don't just underline lines in a book. Draw a map, link ideas, see how one concept connects to another. This helps your brain retrieve the info faster later. You can do this too. After every study session, write one sentence. What did I actually learn today? It sounds simple, but it forces clarity, and clarity is the foundation of memory. When he reads, he's hunting for the foundational principles, the physics, the logic, the mechanics beneath the surface. He calls this first principles thinking. Instead of memorizing surface-level facts, he breaks things down to their core components and builds up from there. So if Elon is learning rocket science, he doesn't start with memorizing formulas, but there's more. When Elon learns, he learns with a purpose, not to pass a test, not to impress, but to build. That changes everything. If you can't explain a concept simply, you don't really understand it. This is called the Feynman Technique, and it's powerful. Try this. After reading something, explain it to a child or record yourself teaching it. That's how Elon-level understanding is built. Now let's break this into techniques you can use today. First, teach what you learn. Elon often explains complex ideas publicly in interviews, on Twitter, or in meetings. Why? Because teaching reveals gaps. Second, visualize knowledge as a system. Elon doesn't store disconnected facts. He creates mental maps. Third, repetition. Elon revisits key principles over and over, not by rereading the same book, but by applying the ideas in different contexts. Fourth, aggressive curiosity. When Elon doesn't understand something, he doesn't move on, he digs deeper. Fifth, compression. Elon simplifies. He takes entire textbooks and shrinks them into clear, concise core ideas. Finally, Elon surrounds himself with smart people. Conversations, debates, collaboration, these are all memory enhancers. So how do you memorize like Elon Musk? You don't cram, you don't highlight and hope, you reconstruct, you apply, you compress, you obsess, and above all, you balance input with output. Learn less, remember more, because it's not about how much you consume. It's about how much you can actually use. Think like Elon, memorize like Musk, build like never before.